The first theory as to what we find amusing and as to why we laugh is called the superiority theory. Some philosophers have argued that we experience humor when we feel above or better than another person or a situation. In his work Philebus, Plato argued that we feel amused when we're confronted with another person's ignorance. In his time, this probably looked like someone making a right fool out of themselves in a discussion with Socrates. In our time, this looks like when you read someone's comment on a Reddit thread, which is so ludicrous you can't help but laugh. Basically, the classic moments like the slip on the banana peel makes us laugh not because the act itself is inherently funny, but because we're amused by the fact that it's not us slipping on the banana peel. We're literally like, ha ha, look at that person being so silly, I'm so glad that's not me. Thomas Hobbes in the Leviathan said that laughter itself is the physical reaction we get when we feel this sudden glory at noticing someone else's weaknesses or mistakes. Nice. You've properly framed yourself as a mean girl, Thomas Hobbes. That said, superiority theory also helps explain why we laugh at ourselves when we look back at our old cringy photos or outfits. We feel superior to that past version of ourselves, and we find amusement in that. I do find superiority theory interesting, as we often see laughter and humor as something positive. But perhaps it's rather a cruel evolutionary symptom of humans being competitive, with us getting pleasure from being better than other humans.